again. Today I want to show you what happened basically last night. I was up again until 6 o'clock this morning. The maths seemed to be just unfolding in front of me. So now I want to show you what I've been talking about as reflection. Everything we see is a reflection. So in other words, it's skew width, it's vice versa. It's like a mirror. So going by these principles, I've already showed you in my other videos how you can work out things that have never been worked out before by using these calculations. Now I'm going to show you further evidence that it's correct, and in fact I'm going to show you what was revealed to me last night. So here is the alphabet in reflection. In other words, take an A, reflect it, you get an M. Turn the A around, pull it apart, you get the C1. Upside down, it's a 1V. So B, it's the same, pull it apart, it's a 13, 1, 3. Turn it upside down, I, M, etc. 1. Bring the 3 together and it becomes a 0. So you can do this with every letter. This is what I found a while back now and started applying it to maths. So anyway, I came to the realisation last night that everything is a C. Now this sounds a little bit absurd, but bear with me. I suppose you've heard that we all come from a C. Well, this is the answer. Take the letter A for example, right? If we come to this board here, take the letter A. The letter A. How many C's do you see in the letter A? Well, there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Giving us 3 C's. Before long, I realised that we can do this with every letter. Here's a B. So 2 C's, 1 C, C. So going down, you can actually write out everything to its origin of being a C and how many C's it applies to. And now just to confirm that this is correct. Broken into sections, which is the sections we've been dealing with through the whole time of my videos. As you can see, on the first section, which is down to G, which is, don't forget, a G is really a C and a T. So when broken there at the C, 6.5 letters reflected is 13. So anyway, you get 13 C's in the first section, you get 14 C's in the next section, you get 12 C's in the next section, and 13 C's in the bottom section, giving us a total of 52 C's. Now the reason that's important is 52 C. Halve it, you get 26 circles. 26 circles, 26 letters of the alphabet. So there you go. So that confirms that that is correct again. Everything is a C. We all come from a C, and a C can be applied to every single letter. So when written out, you could probably find, well, the key to life, or the code to life. So here's to show you how, now moving into reflection, how you can find the true origin of many things. So, the word love. These are the icons for love. Show you how. Take any letter, E. Then take another letter, let's say L. Then take the O, and then take the V. Now what you can start doing is with the word love, is you can draw out all sorts of interesting shapes. But what they really are, in effect, are icons. So basically, after a while, you'll start seeing you can build out a whole exercise yard of people just from one word, love. So if you go along, after a while, about an hour or two, I reached to a point when I realised, actually, this is what it comes out at. And let me show you why. E. L, leaving 2 numbers. E-L, leaving O and V. Turn it around, and of course you've got O and C. C and O, and this is what we're dealing with here. C and O. Whole and reflection. So love, that is the code for love, OC. It comes to a box. Now you can do the same with other words, like life. Put the letters together and you get an icon. Or again, take the F, take the L. Gives you your box. So you got, yeah, so it leaves you the I and the E. Turn it round and you get I'm. So I am. So that's the box for life, is I'm. Or the box for love is OC. So let's do something a bit funnier. Bible. Okay, so Bible, what we do is do that. There's the B, reflect it. There's another B. Take the I, take the E, and we get a nice little face. He's quite interested. And then take the L. You can give him a hat maybe. What you can even do is put that the other way around. Now if you turn that around, quite interestingly, you'll get this. So, B, I, B, L, E. Now do you see what that is? It's the number 18 in the middle, which of course is our number that we deal with. And it also spells out something else. But anyway, we don't need to go on about that. So, Derwent Edge. I don't know if people here have heard of Derwent Edge. It's a walking place in England. And there you will find written on the rocks. Kells, and then above it, J Monaghan, and there's a sign there. So what does that mean? Well, I'll tell you what it means. Pull the letters apart. It tells, is what it says. And what does J Monaghan tell? Well, if you use my alphabet to add the numerals up, add them up, you'll find it comes to 26. So it tells 26, 26 being the numbers of the alphabet. So if you want to find the true origin of us, you just come to our alphabet and it tells you the truth. So the clues are all around us and you can use any kind of, so basically you can take any word, break it into a symbol, so these are the true symbols of love, break it right down to its origin, which you get to the two letters, like with life or that, and there's your answer. So we all come from the sea. It's confirmed, if you like, that we come from the sea. Tonight I'm going to work on other stuff of reflecting it more. Stay with me as it unfolds. Please watch my other videos because it explains so much. Just one more before we go because I like this one. It's a little horsey. So love, right? L, O, V, E. I quite like him. He reminds me of a knight from chess set. Anyway, there it is for today. I'll give you another one. By the looks of it, we'll just keep going with the flow and see what happens. Right, peace to everyone.